Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we will learn how to download and update the Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. Before we do that, we need to check that which version of audio driver we have. So for that, just do a right click in the start icon and then go to Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is opened, go to Sound. And here you will find high definition audio device or a Realtek audio device. So just do a right click and then go to properties, and here go to the driver section and check the driver date. I can see it's showing me 9th of May 2020. Open any of your favorite browser and just type Realtek and hit enter. Now the moment you do it, you will find a result, Home Realtek. So please make sure that you only visit https://www.realtek.com. So I'll just click on that and a new window will appear like this. So once the window is open like this, at the left hand side we just need to click on this drop down menu, and here we will find downloads. So I'll click on that download and we will have overview, communication, computer peripherals. So we will click on computer peripheral ICS. I have just clicked on it and a new screen has appeared. Now it's asking me to choose the product. So in the product line, I'll select PC audio codecs. So once I have selected, I'll get a option to choose the subcategory, and here I'll just click on high definition audio codecs. Now I have got these three options. So we will select always the top one, which is the latest one, which says ALC 888S VD. So in the software section, we just have to click on that and a window will appear like this. Now here we need to select 64-bit Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 driver. Now this will also work on Windows 11 computer as well. So we will click on Agree to download. So once I have clicked on that, we need to click on this I accept the above. Here you can enter your email. Once you have typed your email, just click on download this file. So I've entered the captcha and I'll just click on go, and it says start downloading. Please close this window when file downloading is complete. So I can see 252 megabytes of file is getting downloaded. It might take some time. You just need to open that file and follow the online instructions. Just click on next and you will be able to install the latest version of audio driver. And in the same manner, you can simply just open the device manager and go to sound and do a right click and then go to properties. From here you can check the date. So once you have installed the latest driver, you just need to restart the computer and then check in the driver section. So I hope this short video has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.